Google just dropped its most powerful AI feature ever, AI mode. Want to search smarter, get instant insights, and unlock tools you never imagined? Stick around as we reveal the best hacks and prompts to make AI mode your new secret weapon. Smash that like button, share this with your friends, and subscribe to Useful AI Hacks for more AI breakthroughs. AI mode is Google's latest leap in search technology, using its Gemini 2.5 AI model to deliver detailed, tailored answers, real-time data, and even custom charts, all from your usual Google search bar. It's a total reimagining of search, letting you ask complex questions, follow up, and get results from across the web in seconds. Ready to try it? Here's how. Go to google.com, type your question, and tap the AI mode button right under the search bar, or visit google.com/AI mode to access AI mode directly. You can also use the Google app. Just look for the AI mode icon below the search bar. Remember, it's rolling out in the US for users 18 plus with a personal Google account. Here's 7 useful AI hacks prompts showcasing the capabilities of AI mode, along with example prompts. Capability 1, deep research that summarizes info from multiple sources. Here's an example prompt. Compare the health benefits and risks of intermittent fasting versus keto diet. Show recent studies. You can see here that AI mode is sticking right to the prompt, providing exactly what you asked for. Capability number 2, custom data visuals. AI mode generates charts, graphs from real-time data. Here's an example prompt. Graph the home win percentages for Phillies and White Sox over the last 5 seasons. Can your bookie do that? AI mode for the win. Capability number 3, personalized recommendations. AI mode uses your context for tailored results. Try this prompt. Find the best Italian restaurants near my hotel in Nashville this weekend. Once again, AI mode nailed it with impeccable accuracy. Capability number 4, multimodal search. You can communicate with AI mode using text, voice, or images. Try this prompt. Use Google Lens to take a picture of a houseplant, then ask AI mode, what is this plant? How do I care for it? AI mode capability number 5 is possible, one of the most useful capabilities of AI mode. A shopping assistant that finds best deals and tracks prices. Try this prompt. Track the price of Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones and alert me when it drops below $300. I can hear all the Coupon Hunter's AI mode prompts ringing in my head already. AI mode capability. Number 6, live search just released yesterday. Now you can ask AI mode questions based on live video. Try this prompt. What's the best way to strengthen this pop cycle stick bridge while showing it on camera? It can see what you see. And finally, AI mode capability number 7. AI mode can now handle follow-up conversations, continuing the search with follow-up questions. Try this follow-up prompt to a food-related question like, tell me a recipe I can have for dinner tonight. Then follow up with, now compare those diets for people with diabetes. And don't worry, you're always in control. You manage your AI mode history, turn features on or off in search labs, and give feedback to help Google improve if you want. You can even connect other Google apps like Gmail for more personalized results. AI mode is powerful but experimental. Double check important info and use the thumbs up, down to rate responses. For now, some features are US only and require search history to be enabled. What will you ask Google's AI mode next? Drop your favorite prompts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Useful AI Hacks for more exclusive AI tips and the latest AI news. Daily at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. See you tomorrow.